tells the story of one of them.
My husband is an American citizen. He's being held against his will in Iran. I want you to know this because we need help.
Jesus Christ. Well, that's why they have tusks. Yeah. There it is. Kidding me, bro? Wow, dude. When lions take a chance. Wow, that was the other video I didn't pull. There's 3 elephants. Catching cases at a best.
Holy
Oh my god, no, that's insane, you
Oh my gosh. I need to call 911, I guess.
I have that on camera too.
Right.
That was an accident.
Really?
Yep.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
You have anything illegal on your person?
No, sir.
No weapons,
No,
no
listen,
any
the
other
only
weed?
thing I have literally is just the weed and just the vape pen. That's all I would have. That's it. That's all I keep, man.
One in the chamber? Huh? One in the chamber. Yeah.
I would assume, right?
Do I have to go to jail? Can't y'all just
I don't know.
give me
That's
a
what I'm
write-up
saying.
and I just go to court like I always do?
Let's sit in the car so you don't want to get caught.
Yes, sir.
No, just swing it.
just go in there.
Yeah, close the door.
Look,
I
so
know
you don't
guys
get wet.
close it, I'm going to jail though usually, right?
Bro, put your legs
Just-
in.
I don't. There's a probability you're going to jail. Yes, I don't know. So just swing your feet in so we can
yes,
close
sir.
the door.
I don't want to cause problems.
I am eastbound at wants to bow with the wrong way driver. EOD9 Syncom, vehicle did not stop. Driving the wrong way into oncoming traffic. I'm going to try stopping him.
10-4, and just to confirm you're going eastbound in the westbound lane?
Currently, I'm going to be performing a pit maneuver.
Family.